I've got this lovely piece of ash from my brother-in-law from Dixon's Cabinet Makers, and he saved it for me because it's got this really cool coloration here. So I'm going to try and split this with my Froe with the tools I've got. I don't think I've ever really carved ash before, certainly not this fresh, so I'm quite looking forward to it. I'm going to try, I'd like to get some bowls done, and I'd like to, as well as some other utensils and things, but if I can get a few bowls out of that, I'd be really quite happy. So we'll see how we go. So I'm going to try and, I've got a crack, a V-shaped crack here, and I'm just going to start splitting it from that and see, because I'll have half a log hopefully, and then enough on the other side to do something with, so we shall see. It's just big enough. I love that sound. Just start to hear it clicking and creaking. Now I'll get some wedges. Wedges are old spoons. Blanks that didn't make the grade. You can see it's starting to come down. Crack's starting to come down there. And it's starting to come down there. It's quite a nice straight piece. Although that one didn't work quite so well, that wedge. I love that sound. Hear it clicking and creaking. And get the Froe free now. Oh, there we go. That has been very enjoyable, and look at that. Very, very, very happy with that. Beautiful.